Are you battling fatigue, pain, or mysterious health issues? The answer might be lurking beneath your feet. Inflammation, a silent enemy, could be wreaking havoc on your body. It's time to uncover the truth and discover a natural, often overlooked remedy that can revolutionize your health. Imagine a fire slowly burning within you, silently damaging your cells and tissues. That's chronic inflammation at work. This insidious process is linked to a plethora of modern ailments, from heart disease and diabetes to autoimmune disorders, and even cancer. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural, and readily available solution? A remedy so powerful that it can help extinguish this internal fire and restore balance to your body? Keep watching to discover the surprising answer. Inflammation is your body's natural defense mechanism, a crucial part of healing and protection. It acts as a signal to your immune system that something is wrong and needs attention. When you experience an injury or infection, your immune system triggers an inflammatory response. This is your body's way of fighting off harmful invaders and starting the healing process. This process sends white blood cells to the affected area, leading to swelling, redness, and pain. These symptoms are signs that your body is working hard to repair the damage and protect you from further harm. This acute inflammation is essential for healing. It usually resolves once the threat is eliminated and the healing process is underway. However, problems arise when inflammation becomes chronic. Unlike acute inflammation, which is short-term, chronic inflammation persists over a long period. Instead of a targeted response, chronic inflammation is like a fire that never goes out, causing ongoing damage to your cells and tissues. This can lead to a host of health issues. This persistent inflammation is a major contributor to a wide range of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. It can also affect your overall well-being and quality of life. The good news is that there are ways to combat chronic inflammation and restore balance to your body. Lifestyle changes, such as regular exercise and a healthy diet, can make a significant difference. But first, let's explore some common remedies and why they often fall short. Understanding the limitations of these treatments can help you make better choices for managing inflammation effectively. We're constantly bombarded with information about fighting inflammation. Eat this superfood, avoid that inflammatory food, pop this supplement. While some of these strategies can be helpful, they often address the symptoms without tackling the root cause. Many people focus on diet and lifestyle modifications, which are undoubtedly important, but there's one crucial element that's often overlooked: our connection to the earth. For centuries, humans walked barefoot on the ground, absorbing the earth's natural energy. This practice, known as earthing or grounding, has profound effects on our health, particularly on inflammation. In our modern world, we've become disconnected from the earth, insulated by shoes, buildings, and technology. This disconnect has significant consequences for our health, contributing to chronic inflammation and a host of related ailments. The power of ancient practices. Unveiling the number one remedy. The number one remedy for inflammation is surprisingly simple: reconnect with the earth. This practice, often overlooked in our modern fast-paced lives, holds the key to unlocking a wealth of health benefits. Earthing, also known as grounding, involves direct skin contact with the earth's surface. This can be as simple as walking barefoot on your lawn, the beach, or even a dirt path in a nearby park. Walk barefoot on grass, sand, or soil, and allow your body to absorb the earth's natural energy. This connection is not just physical but also deeply spiritual, helping to center and balance your mind and body. This ancient practice, once a natural part of daily life, has been scientifically proven to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Our ancestors intuitively understood the importance of staying connected to the earth, a wisdom that modern science is now beginning to validate. The earth's surface possesses a natural negative charge. This charge is a powerful force that can help to restore and maintain our body's natural balance. When we connect with it, our bodies absorb free electrons, which act as powerful antioxidants, neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation. This process can help to protect our cells and tissues from damage, promoting overall health and well-being. Studies have shown that earthing can reduce inflammation markers, improve sleep, reduce pain, and even speed up wound healing. These benefits are not just theoretical. They have been observed in numerous scientific studies and real-life experiences. It's a simple yet profound practice that can have a transformative impact on your health. By making earthing a regular part of your routine, you can experience a significant improvement in your overall well-being. Now let's delve into the specific benefits of earthing for autoimmune conditions, gut health, and arthritis. These conditions, often challenging to manage, can see remarkable improvements through the consistent practice of earthing, offering a natural and accessible way to enhance your health. Earthing and autoimmunity, a groundbreaking connection. Autoimmune diseases, where the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues, are on the rise. These conditions, ranging from rheumatoid arthritis to Hashimoto's thyroiditis, are often characterized by chronic inflammation. Earthing shows promise as a complementary therapy for autoimmune diseases. By reducing systemic inflammation, earthing may help modulate the immune response and alleviate symptoms. Some studies suggest that earthing can reduce pain and stiffness in rheumatoid arthritis patients, improve sleep quality, and even decrease the need for medication. While more research is needed, the potential of earthing for autoimmune conditions is exciting. It offers a natural, accessible, and side effect-free approach to managing inflammation and improving quality of life. Healing the gut, grounding your way to digestive harmony. Did you know that your gut health is intricately linked to your overall well-being? It's not just about digestion. Your gut influences your immune system, mental health, and even your energy levels. The gut, often referred to as the second brain, plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mood. This complex system of nerves and bacteria communicates with your brain, affecting how you feel both physically and emotionally. Chronic inflammation in the gut can contribute to a range of digestive disorders, from irritable bowel syndrome or IBS to inflammatory bowel disease or IBD. These conditions can cause significant discomfort and impact your quality of life. Earthing or grounding can have a profound impact on gut health. By connecting with the Earth's natural energy, you can help reduce inflammation and promote healing within your digestive system. By reducing inflammation in the gut, earthing may help alleviate symptoms of IBS, IBD, and other digestive disorders. Incorporating a diet rich in fiber, probiotics, and anti-inflammatory foods can further enhance these benefits. Some studies suggest that earthing can improve gut motility, reduce bloating and gas, and promote a healthier gut microbiome. This means better digestion, less discomfort, and a more balanced internal environment. Incorporating earthing into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your gut health and improve your overall well-being. Whether it's walking barefoot on the grass, sand, or soil, these small steps can lead to significant health improvements. So, take a moment each day to connect with the earth and nurture your gut for a healthier, happier you. Soothing arthritis. Finding relief through earthing. Arthritis, a leading cause of pain and disability, affects millions worldwide. This debilitating condition is characterized by joint inflammation, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced range of motion. Earthing has emerged as a promising natural therapy for arthritis relief. By reducing inflammation in the joints, earthing may help alleviate pain, stiffness, and other symptoms. Studies have shown that earthing can reduce pain and improve joint function in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. If you're seeking natural relief from arthritis pain, incorporating earthing into your daily routine can provide significant benefits. It's a simple, accessible, and drug-free approach to managing arthritis symptoms and improving quality of life. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and remedies.